welcome from Freddie and myself. Let's turn scraps of fabric and scraps of brown packaging paper into postcards and journaling cards. Let me show you. I came back from holiday and here was Serafina waiting for me, and with the project that I'd left behind. That was lovely because I was feeling quite tired, and then all I had to do was switch her on and start this scrap fabric paper project. Oh, sometimes it's nice just to do a very simple project, probably one I've done before. Yeah, so I took the brown paper packaging and tore out some 4x6 squares to start with, postcard size or journaling card size, and then did two smaller sizes. So we've got mummy bear, a daddy bear size, a mummy bear size, and a baby bear size of scrap paper. Let me show you what I'm doing with that. I love the scrap fabric paper, that's it, the scrap fabric paper. It's like that on the back, so you could use it in your journal like that. You can stick it or sew it to something. It's very, very handy to have and play with. So let's get the different sizes, using the 4x6 first, so it's got to be stiff enough to make it into cardboard. So maybe I need to sew 3 together. Let's try with that first. 3 4x6s. So I've just machined round 3 4x6 size, and I'm going to next size down. We'll just so that, yep, the stitching shows up from the other, and then it's 3 of those on there. I'm just trying to make it like into a stiff card, really. You can glue this, don't worry if you don't want to use your sewing machine. It's just that Serafina was out, so it was lovely to see Freddie again last night. Ben went to pick him up. Freddie's home.
No, it's really good. I think everyone would have gone.
He had a lovely time, lots of doggy friends where he was, at Ben's friends, and he'd been for some lovely muddy walks in Epping Forest, and you know he loves those. Taking it out each time, so I'm not going across with the thread, it's just going round each one. Loving this thread, thank you, Karen, absolutely love it. And now I'm getting the smaller size. 1, 2, 3, and it doesn't have to be quite as padded if it's for the journal card. It feels quite good. Again, I'll probably put it, when I post this, I'll put it in a polythene protector And then I'm going to go all around this one. Just relaxing today. I'm just going to have a sip of tea. You might want to create along. You might want to just watch. Gather ideas in your head or in a notebook just for when you have a little bit more time. Or for when you have that little bit of time just for you. When you see this packaging paper, it's hard to resist, isn't it? You just want to use it. Lovely. Oh, just for the postcard, that's great. I've done all the 4 and it does. Oh, it's lovely. It's like fabric paper now. I think for the journaling card, I might leave this one as a pocket there. Sometimes ideas come to you. And now I am going to cut out a heart from here. Don't worry if you see me snipping. I'm not going to waste an ounce of this. I'm going to make a heart. How big do I want the heart to go on there? Do I want it to cover the squares up or just to go in the centre? Do you know, I was going to do a big heart. I'm just enjoying those layers. So I will cut out a small heart, I think. So maybe I'm going to go for this. Do you know, you can, but for me, I'm thinking, don't think about it too much, Janet. See what happens. So I'm going to cut out the shiny red. We are. And guess what came out? So it's got a little bit of the creamy and, oh, interesting. Interesting, I had another idea in my head. Sometimes you go with the flow, don't you, when you're creating? And I'm just going to, maybe there's a simplicity about this card. I'm going to go around the edge of the heart now. I'm going to snip it like that. So, oh, it's lovely on the back too. Can you make that out? Oh, that's lovely. It's just, all these threads are going to go in the little spare pot. Oh, that is lovely. I'm going to take a sip of tea. Do you know, I love that. Oh, would I like to put words on that? It's beautiful in its simplicity, but I think so. I have got saved in this pile somewhere. Ah, here it is. A little bit of the bias. Do they call that the bias? Oh, what's the... I have a bit at the edge. It'll come to me. It hasn't got anything written on it, so let's see what way round. Do a tester. Oh, that was upside down. And yeah, that's lovely. Do it on there. Because I did have, yeah, part of it had little crowns on. I thought that was lovely. Then there was a plain bit. And I thought, oh, I'll save that for the words. Oh, there we are. So there's plenty for other projects. Pop this on so it doesn't dry up, but it's not hot today. And So, where do I want that? Yes. You see, I'm looking. I like the simplicity of the layers. So I think I'd like to put it in the centre there of the heart. Now, did I say, oh yes, do use glue. Whatever helps you to relax. I love that. I'm going to make another one. This time, I think I'm going to make it this way up. Oh no, journaling card. No, that way up, because I'm going to make it into a pocket.
Safe journey, Happy Mail.
Oh, thank you so much for joining me. Sometimes it's just nice to have something simple to create, yeah? Oh, I loved it. Do excuse my eye and my face, because I had a little fall onto the oven, so everything's fine. But I just look a bit bruised. But I wanted to spend some time with you, so it's fine. I did make one into a pocket. I just left it open at the top, so I put it there, and then I put the glue round 4 sides so I can put my souvenirs from my holiday in there. I've also got a postcard. I had a postcard from Albertina. It's from Nijmegen. That's in the Netherlands. And Anjo said it's a beautiful city too. Thank you. And they recommended that that could be at the next place we visit. So maybe I'm going to put that in there as a reminder. Thanks, Albertina. That's the city in the Netherlands, yeah. And here, it's nice to get some photographs for this page. That's some of the wool left over from the hexi cardigan, because that's what I was making while I was away onto one of the tickets. So I've sewn in all the ends. I'm on my second hexi, and I added this, what's it called? It's called lime. I think it's more apple, don't you? I don't know. Anyway, I think it looks rather nice as a stripe. I've done two stripes on the other one. So yeah, that folds over like this. See, it's not quite there yet as a cardi. That's the sleeves and the side. Are you seeing how it's going to look? Yeah, not quite there yet, are we? On this side. I'm enjoying doing it though. Yes, I've got some of those as a memory, and this is one of the little coffee shops we visited on the last day. That was in Ghent.
I'm starting.
I know. Above the sound of the bells.
Where are we, Mum?
We're in Ghent. I've got some world stamps.
Oh, nice.
Little postcard. I got my pen.
I wonder who that is.
I'm not sure.
I don't know who that is. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, the person on the stamp. I've got
Yeah.
some.
And it's off.
Oh, from Bruges. Yeah, where we were the other day. I'm going to write some postcards.
Nice.
We got them.
We've got a croissant with
Nice.
ham and cheese. It's melted.
Yeah, this is my little journal that Laurie gave me, and it's things that happen in 2025 that I've got photographs for. So it's coming along. I like a journal with plenty bits sticking out. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at your page flow. Oh, I love that. You've made a tiny little envelope with a letter inside. And, you've used some of the fabric paper as a little border. Oh, that's a good idea. Flo, I love that. Beautiful. Shall we light a candle? Yeah, let's do that. Oh, where's the candles? Oh, here. I'm forgetting where everything is on the desk. Do you know, when we light the candle, it's just a little bit of time. It's a busy world, and I know sometimes your lives are busy and you've got a lot going on. Just a little bit of time to take a breath. Take care, everyone. Bye. That's it. Nice. Nice. Lovely. I'm not sure. Look, the cat's got a tin of fish. My favourite chocolates, cherry.
Nice. I mean, it looks good.
Oh, my favourite.
So the box itself is $7.50 with the box.
Yeah, didn't I?
Get a chocolate
No,
duck
but I got one from Choco Coco, didn't I, in Swanage for chocolate duck. Anyone? It's great, isn't it, like that? And then... See a black flag. Oh yeah, gorgeous. I just
Oh, I got a picture.
I love this. Oh look. Oh, I love the bags.
Oh, they're from Poland.
Oh right. Colin, I thought they might be from the New Forest, the Black Forest.